Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing video of this Venyn. I'm not sure how to pronounce it correctly, but it's Venyn or Venyn Smoke and Grill, the original charcoal smoker and grill. So this grill is a portable one that you can bring anywhere and whenever you want. It's a 22-inch barbecue grills for outdoor cooking, 20 inches diameter. So outside the box, you can see how it looks like. It's so heavy, yeah. And this is how it looks like. But mine, I think it's black. And on the other side, it says here that perfect heat control and retention. It has thermometer, air vent, porcelain bowl. So this is the items inside. It's so heavy. And I'm gonna put it down to show you what's inside. So I can see here it's like a color brown. So I'm gonna show you this first. It's the stand. It's not plastic, which is good. It's not easy to, when the wind is strong. And the grills, the square one and the circle one, and there's also a smaller grill, this one, and you can see the high quality of this grill. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's not that cheap, but this grill costs $39.99. Oh, and it comes with this spatula, and I think it's for the charcoal. And this is the wheel, so you can just push it. If you can't carry it, just push it. There's a wheel, and the other part, this one. It says here that do not use indoors, for outdoors only. Do not use water on the grill while hot, as this will damage the finish of your grill. This is what it looks like. And this is the manual that you can follow the instructions of how to assemble it. And I will make another video of how to assemble this and how to use it. And finally, we're here at the cover. It looks like a plastic, but it's not. I thought mine was black, and it's brown. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think this is for at the bottom, and this is the cover. So just look like this, and you will assemble the bottom part. So I will putting down the Instagram handle of the shop, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. I'm not usually making this kind of video, but I hope you like it, and don't forget to follow my IG. I will be putting down the handle as well on the bottom of the screen. And yeah, that's it for today's video, and stay tuned for the demo video, and I will make a video how to assemble it. And thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and have a great day.